Hey, Daniel. Hey guys, welcome back. Jeff Scott here as always, and we're not in my garage. We're in Daniel's garage in the middle of BFE because, well, he likes to live in the middle of nowhere. But you might recognize that engine that is Jezebel's old 383 that his first engine Dad and I ever put together, and I suckered Daniel into buying it, and Jezebel's old transmission. And we got a destination for it, and it's just behind this door. That could have been a very dramatic reveal. But we're going to be shoving it in Daniel's old truck here. Pretty cool old street truck. Big block powered. Gonna be pretty dang sweet. So the goal today is just get this engine set in here, and then we're going to road trip another hour and 30 minutes down south. I'm going to pick up some equipment for the garage, for the shop, so we can start doing our own machine work, if you know what I mean. So that's what we're going to work on. Just want to give you guys a little intro. So hopefully here in about an hour or two, we'll have that big block sitting inside here and have no issues at all, because, you know, we can be hopeful. He's fucking laughing. Well, hope you guys enjoy. Mostly just going to be a time lapse, so I'll see you at the end of it. So yeah, Jezebel's old 383. It's a 1965 model block. Stock 516 heads. We did a little bit of port work. Small Illuminati cam. Ought to run pretty good in that truck. The old 727. I ain't gonna tell Daniel its prints will burn up. Oh wait, he's right there.
I'm glad we didn't start it.
Yeah.
I didn't know the rags were in there.
Yeah, oh yeah, Daniel, there's rags inside the valley.
Thanks for letting me know, Joe. I appreciate it.
No problem, man. What are friends for? I could use my rags back though.
Price what I paid for it.
Almost there. Almost there.
Are you sure that won't line with that bottom over?
You got her in there, Daniel. Just took a little bit.
Yes, sir.
One big block installed into I don't remember what year this truck is, but good enough.
Mini trucks, many years.
Mini trucks, many years.
It's 87.
87.
92.
92 front end, but the old engine's in her. Now we gotta get the transmission supported, get everything finished, bolted up, and we gotta hit the road because we're running out of time. Well, what do you gotta say about it, Daniel?
It's in.
You're just like Dad and my brother. You guys are terrible with camera.
All right, let's start it over then, Jed.
No, you got your one chance to become a star. Well, you've already been on video.
Yes, I've been on all. I've been the fastest video you've had.
That's actually true. That's actually a really good video. Daniel, by the way, is the guy with the black demon that goes like super fast when it needs to. A lot faster now. We're gonna have to get more video of that. But engine, tranny's in.
Ish.
Yeah, the tranny nuts. Yeah, as Daniel put it in the time lapse. Don't trust me because that's the rubber of the tranny mount, and it was hitting wrong style mount, so it literally just pulled right off. Quality parts right there. That's
engineered by Jed.
Yep. As you can see, this mountain was bad when we first used it, and a little electrical tape goes a long ways. That was all that held in Jezebel's automatic transmission for the longest time. But we got the old 3D3 in here, and that's what we wanted to get done. So we kind of got it figured out on how to put the big blocks in here. It's going to help because we're going to put that 3D3 in my brother's in his truck, and that's how much room you got for clearance between the big booster and a stock steel valve cover.
So you gotta run crappy ass valve covers.
Yeah, you can't run tall, cool aluminum valve covers unless you change out that booster or delete it. That's actually really good representation right there, because most people don't believe that, and you just don't have much room.
Yeah, see if we can get the fuck around.
Nope. Told you you have to take the rest of them studs out.
Take the rest of the studs out, yep.
Yeah. Also, do not run studs on your valve covers. So, we got her in. Hope
Happy,
you guys.
happy.
Oh yeah, yeah. Happy. I was getting ready to close her, Daniel, but now you just made me look like a jackwagon.
You know? What's new?
I don't know. I don't need help looking like a jackwagon. I know that much for a fact.
And to go look at car parts now.
Yep, we're gonna go look at car parts, and we're gonna probably come back at some point, help Daniel put the headers on. We got to get them an intake and a good carburetor, and we'll get this thing living again. He dented up the fuel pump. He didn't it.
I did not.
And for anybody who may have seen any kind of pictures of profanity on the engine, I did not do that. Actually, that was the girlfriend, I promise. When I draw a wiener, it looks like a wiener. Those look like a Twinkie with two little Twinkies, if you know what I mean. But she's in. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more, because we're gonna make this baby come to life and do cool shit. Maybe someday we'll do power tour with it, or Daniel's gonna sell them. We'll do power tour or something else. I don't know. It's always been kind of the dream.
We'll see. If
We'll
for
see.
sale, Jay will put it on there.
Yep, if it's for sale, that way you guys can have a piece of equipment that I have touched. See that? I touched it. I rubbed my crotch on it, so.
The value just went down.
Yep, it went way down. Well, thanks for watching as always, guys. We're hitting the road to go buy machine equipment. So take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.